What if your spine had a secret curve? That's scoliosis, and together we're going to uncover it. It happens in about 3% of kids and teens. Scoliosis means the spine curves sideways and even adds a tiny twist. Girls are more likely than boys to get it, but most curves don't hurt at all. In most cases, we don't know exactly why it happens. We do know that if one child has it, brothers or sisters may have a small chance too. Doctors often first spot scoliosis at school checks. A simple tool helps measure trunk rotation, and to be sure, we use a safe, low-dose X-ray. On the X-ray, we measure something called the Cobb angle. That tells us how big the curve really is. From there, care follows a simple ladder, 3 steps. Small curves, we just keep watching. Medium curves, a custom brace can guide the spine. Big curves, sometimes surgery is the best option. After spinal fusion surgery, most kids walk the very next day, back to school in just 2 weeks, and sports return in a few months. Long term, most kids and teens live with no limits at all. Want more? You can watch our crash course for a quick overview or dive into any chapter, from brace hacks to surgery prep, because every curve deserves clarity.